In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on WordPress. We'll work right inside the site editor so you can change text on your homepage quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and that your theme supports the site editor. From the dashboard, open the editor and choose the Home template. This brings up a live preview of your homepage with editable blocks. Click directly on the section whose text you want to change. If your first click selects a larger container, keep clicking until you see the text cursor blinking inside the exact paragraph or heading you want. Watch the small breadcrumb trail at the bottom of the editor. It shows which block is active and helps you drill down from groups to the actual text block. Once the text block is active, you can simply type to replace the existing wording. Use familiar shortcuts like Command or Control plus Z to undo if needed. When you highlight a word or a sentence, a small formatting toolbar appears right above or near the block. That toolbar is your quick access to common formatting. If you want your text centered, select the block and click the Align Center option in that toolbar. You'll see the text snap to the middle immediately, which is great for headings or short taglines. While that toolbar is open, you can also refine formatting like bold, italic, or links if that supports your message. Keep your edits consistent across similar sections so your design feels cohesive. If you don't see all the settings you need, open the Settings sidebar. Look for the gear or options icon to reveal more controls for the selected block. There you can review typography, color, and spacing options provided by your theme. Small tweaks here can improve readability, but stay within your site's style to maintain brand consistency. Repeat the same approach for any other text on the page. Click the area, drill down to the exact text block, edit the wording, apply alignment when needed, and review the block settings for fine-tuning. Take a moment to read your changes out loud to catch typos and ensure everything sounds natural. When you're happy with your edits, click Save in the top right corner. WordPress may show you a summary of what's changing. Confirm to save those updates. Finally, click Launch to publish your saved changes so they're live on your site. Give the page a refresh in a new tab to double-check the results. If something looks off, return to the editor,